Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a recent acquisition that I got yesterday. This is a mauthe, as it's said in German, or mauthe, as some people say it in America and Canada. This is what is commonly called a Amsterdam school style, and as you can tell it's Art Deco flair too. And I would date this clock to 1934, somewhere around there. I know it's the 30s. Anyway, I love the style of it. It looks like a house. I can see that. Can see it. And it has your typical moth time and strike movement with the distinctive moth pendulum. And when I got it, I had a minor problem. The time mainspring it came unhooked from the center arbor, so I had to take the whole movement apart to fix that. That was not too bad, actually. But yeah. And I had to do some adjusting to the gong because I like to hit this inner part of this right here. Hey, always something to do if you collect clocks. And now I will show you which strike in the hammer this a lot. And I have replaced the hammer leather so it's not as loud anymore. But yeah, has a nice sound. Resonates well, as usual. As German clocks of this time frame usually do. Anyway, now I'll show you the whole clock again. And yes, it's missing the bezel. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and leave any questions or comments that you may have. Catch you in the next video. Toodaloo!